Hello viewers. Welcome to our How to Video series. In this video, I am showing you how to use the Content Studio feature on Socioboard. But before I start, please make sure to click the red button to subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our newer video updates. Basically, with Socioboard, you have this feature called Content Studio, using which you can get access to free images, videos, GIFs, and many other creatives. As you can see, here on the Discovery module, I have selected Content Studio. Under that, we have several options with platforms like Imager, Flickr, Dailymotion, News_API, Pixabay, and Giphy. Now, we go to Imager and search using the keyword new animation to find viral image creatives. As you can see, here we have got several animated GIFs and images on the right side based on the keyword searched. Here we select one GIF and click the Schedule button. On the next page, we have the option to schedule that GIF creative on social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. On the right side, you can check the preview of the post. Now again, coming back to the Content Studio, I have selected Flickr. Just like with Imager, here also, we can type keywords to search for relevant images. For example, suppose we searched for the keyword football. On the right side, you can see all the football-related creatives. There you also have the option to sort your search based on the date posted in ascending or descending order. Like in Imager also, you can sort out search results based on viral, top, and timewise options. If you are looking for video creatives, under the Content Studio, select Dailymotion. Here also you can search with keywords to find relevant videos. Below that, you have the option to sort out recent or most visited content by the hour, day-wise, or month. Next, we have News_API under the Content Studio. Here you can search for the latest news and information. Also, you have to sort by and filter options to find news related to business, sports, media, science, etc. You can also sort out the search results with options like relevance, popularity, and published at options. Here we have searched with keyword cake and found some relevant news suggestions based on searched results. Then coming again to Content Studio, the next thing you have is Pixabay. Here also we can search by keywords to find relevant images. And you can sort them out based on given filter options. Now one more option you have with Content Studio is Giphy, where we can find animated GIFs creatives that you can search by keywords. And then you can use Socio to share or directly schedule them on your social media feed. So that is all we have in this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, then please make sure to click on thumbs up. Press the red button to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all notifications of our newer videos. In case you have any queries, mention them in the comments section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.